How to find Activity Center on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Play Store in your Android. When you have to install that app, you have to click on it, and you can see this is the desktop of your Facebook Messenger app. You can click on the three lines which appear at the left top corner. You have to click on this gear option which is present at the top. This type of screen will appear here. Now you have to find where is an activity center. You can see at the top there is an at the last or bottom there is an option of account center. Just you have to click on it, and you can see different options. You can change or edit your profile. You can make your change your personal details, password informations, payments method, and preference accounts and the simple accounts. This is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.